Alright, today we're going to be doing some sheet metal work. Going to be putting in a humidifier and a air cleaner, and then sealing up all the joints with mastic. Here's my Aprilaire 700 and my Aprilaire 2410 sheet metal. And I want you to look at something. Duckboard and sheet metal up here. Duckboard, sheet metal. So we're going to rip all the duckboard out and do a good sheet metal transition. So we have something to mount the air cleaner or the humidifier to. So anyway, we'll get started on this and get some videos going. And, see you in a bit. Alright, so I got my duckboard cut out of there, and what I had to do was had to cut that piece of sheet metal out because it's not flat from this point here to here. It's an angle, so I got to have enough flat to for the humidifier to go on. So what I'm gonna do is just cut a piece of metal to go from all the way up here down to here, just long enough for the humidifier, and then start my transition down to the coil. But you'll see. Alright, just to show you, kind of give you an update about where we're at. There's a transition. The top I had to take all that ductboard off on the side over there. I mean, it made a side out of one piece, and then there's the top of the Aprilaire, and then I still got to do the bottom down there. Oops, sorry. There's a Aprilaire 700 up there. What I had to do is add a piece that's way up here, add it to down here, and then make another transition on top of that. But anyway, I finished up. We'll make another video. Alright, so we are finished up. We're just loading all the stuff up, but let me show you if you can see in there. But that brown you see is actually concrete. So when the original installers put this furnace in, they just set it down on bare concrete, hole in the bottom. So we went ahead and sealed it, and homeowner didn't realize it, didn't know it, and he was like, "Oh man, so you're just sucking in garage air?" So yep. So anyway, got a safety tee there. My finished transition for the I don't know if you can see it, but the transition for the air cleaner. Go around the other side. That is the Aprilaire. I transition them so you get full airflow through it. There's the Aprilaire 700. I got my I'll show you again the my humidifier relay that I always put in, because I use a digital humidistat, and we will go up there and show you that here in a second. Let me turn power on so it'll be displaying. Alright, so we're up at the humidistat, and right now it's setting at 63%, and it's working its way down. I just turned power back on, but anyway, the reason I put the I'm raising it up, I don't know if you can see it raising, but the reason I put that relay down there is so when the humidistat calls, it actually brings the fan on and locks out the outdoor unit. So and I keep it normally about 40% over on manual, and it does have an outdoor sensor, and right now it says it's 70 degrees outside. So, which at 65% as high as it goes. I gotta run up there so we can test it. But anyway, so, and it's not gonna come on until it gets down to 62. Okay. It's got a 2% above, and it will shut off when it gets 2% above. So if it would go up to 67, that's when it would shut off. So it does have a lag. But anyway, let's go down here. I just heard the humidifier come on actually. Let me go test everything out. Alright, so we got the humidistats running now. I don't know if you can hear it, but the fan is definitely running. And humidifier is running, pumping out some water right in the drain. I don't know if you paid attention, but see that right there? In between our little video shoots, the plumbers were here. Talk about a mess. They was in our way, we was in our way, so we finally left, and now we came back. And so there is the new Marathon water heater. So they said, you know, anyway. But like I said, that's it. We had to relocate the gas line. But other than that, we are done. And anyway, you know, a lot of people mount the humidistat down on the return duct, but we're in a garage. So why would you want to mount a humidistat here? Yeah, people say, yeah, but the inside air comes through the return, and you know, it picks up the humidity. But nothing beats a humidistat being upstairs. Nothing. And like I said, I put that relay on to when that humidistat calls, it energizes that relay, sends power to the fan, locks out the outdoor unit, turns the humidifier on, and we're all good. But and then like I said, you spend a little extra time, build a good transition, so you get all your filter instead of just part of it. And I think we're going to call this one done. We're just going to go check the heat, turn the heat on, let it run for a couple seconds because I did the gas line. But we are done with this. Thanks for watching. I can't remember if I took this, but they said we sealed up all the joints with mastic. He just wanted to come in and just retape all these tape joints. But we use spray adhesive and tape, so the tape's not going to come loose. I know there's going to be people out there saying, oh, you need to use mastic, but let me tell you something. That ain't coming off there. Not anytime soon. But, you know, not when you use spray adhesive. And there's that one there, that one. And then did those. That one there. And then that one up there. So anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching.